Hello young chefs, welcome to Judee Flavors, and this is Judee, your cooking guide. Today we are going to make fruit salads using only 2 ingredients. We are going to use watermelon. Have you ever eaten watermelon? And have you ever even seen it, how it looks like? And we are going to find out which color, how it looks inside. And then we have pineapple. This is pineapple, and it's so sweet. Do you know, children, if you eat fruits, you become strong. Every day I eat fruits. Before I do anything, I eat fruits because fruits are so good for your body. If you eat fruits, you stay strong. So we are going to start with washing our fruits. Let's start with watermelon. This is our water, and I'm washing watermelon. Never eat any fruit without being washed because it has germs before being washed. Okay, our watermelon is ready. Now we are doing pineapple. Be careful when you are washing pineapple. You have to be careful because it's a bit sharp. It's a bit rough outside, so you have to wash because these ones can cut you. So you have to wash them gently. Wow, all the germs are gone. Now we are ready to cut them. Yeah. Okay. We don't need more water anymore. Let's first put this one aside. First cut watermelon. Wow, are you ready to see what's inside? Let's go. I'm cutting my watermelon. Wow, look at this. So juicy. I can't wait to eat. We can keep this one aside. There we go. I'm going to peel all these because we don't need them. We don't need these peels. They're a bit hard, but you have to use your energy. You know, me, I'm eating fruits every day, so that's why I'm energetic. I can cut. Wow. Done. Okay. Let's remove the peels away. Okay. We cut this one as well. But it won't be enough for us if I cut one. We need to put them away. Then lastly, let me cut more. Wow. I think this one will be enough for us. Way to eat. All done. Okay. And then we need pineapple. pineapple so. Now we go to pineapple. Wow, look at this. Look. Yummy. Yummy fruits. I like pineapple. I like watermelon. Let's remove the peels also. Remove peels also here. Our fruits are almost ready. Wow, I can't wait to eat the fruits. Let's wipe my hands are wet. Now we are going to use our cookie cutters. These are our cookie cutters. All these are cookie cutters. They have different shapes. Even, children, do you know this animal? Even this animal. Even this animal. So our fruits are going to, when we cut, this animal shape will come out. Even this flower. Wow. Let's begin. Let's start with watermelon. Okay, let me start with Tingle Little Star. I like Tingle Little Star. Let's cut. Let's see what. A star's color. Look at this. So lovely. I'm going to use another shape. Let me use this giraffe. Is this giraffe? No. Maybe zebra. It's a zebra. Let's cut and see if it will come out. We are using our cookie cutters to shape our fruits. Peekaboo. Look at this. I am going to remove. So juicy. Wow, look at this. I have to show you. Look at this. Isn't it lovely? Then we use another shape. Let's use this gorilla. I think this is gorilla. Yes, it's gorilla. It will come out. Do you love fruits? If you don't love fruits, it means you'll be sick all the time. I love fruits. Let's see that. Look at this. We are done with watermelon. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Now Now let's do pineapple. Then we start chewing our fruits. Pineapple is a bit hard to cut, but we're going to try. So when it's difficult, you tell mommy, daddy, auntie, whoever is near you to help you. Say, mommy, please, may you cut for me a fruit? And so we're going to use tingle to start again. It's a bit hard. You have to press harder. Let's see if it has come. I told you pineapple is a bit harder. Maybe next time we'll use. You can use even orange. You can use what else? Even mango is a fruit. You can use that one. We have many, even kiwi. We have many fruits. So you can choose any fruit. You can choose a day to pick a fruit to eat. Like maybe you can say, today I want to eat pineapple. So I'm going to decorate pineapple. Or I want to eat watermelon. Or I want to eat a mango. So you decorate it. And how Judee, your guide, cooking guide, how she's doing it. Look at this. It has not come out well, but you can cut more than me. Better than me. With our shapes here. Pineapple. Now let's choose which color. Let me use this. I'm choosing this. Have to use a lot of energy because I'm eating fruits every day. Let's see if it can come out. Yes, it's almost. I'm almost making it. Wow, it's coming. I'm soon showing you how it has come out. Peekaboo. Have you seen this? And one more shape. Let's see. Can use this. Let's use this flower. You have to press hard so it can come out. Press more. Press harder. If you can't make it, you tell mommy, daddy, auntie, uncle. Say, please may you help me to cut my fruits. Wow. This is so lovely. Look at this flower. Wow. It has come out very lovely. Look at this. So I think my fruits are ready to be eaten. Oh, I've forgotten my gingerbread man. I have to use it also. Let me cut watermelon. Now I think here we are going to get our gingerbread man. Let's see if you can get. Yes, it's out. Let's see if we can make it. We need gingerbread man. Please, gingerbread man, come out. We need you. Wow, it's almost coming out. You just wait. Gingerbread man, we need you so don't get spoiled. Gingerbread man is almost ready. Yes. Let me see. Wow. Let me show you how it has come out. Look at this. Let me hold it. see, our gingerbread man is here. This is his head, hands, the legs. Look at this. Let me put it here. And it's me who's going to eat it. I think we are done. We are ready to eat our let me start with my gingerbread man. No one should eat it. Wow. I can't. Who wants to share with me? I like fruits. Wow. And I'm choosing a sample of a pineapple. So, wow. Don't like fruits? You know better. But yeah, you have fruits too much. So for today we have made pineapple. Wow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and then follow me. I hope you're going to make fruit the way I've made them today. Or if you don't like pineapple, you can choose a mango. Okay? Okay, bye-bye for now. See you next time.